What's up everyone, my name is Ben and today I'll be talking about a few tips, tricks and hidden features in iOS 12. Now, iOS 12 has been released officially about a week ago, and ever since I updated it, I've been really happy with the performance, and I have also been trying to find some new tricks, tips and also some features that I didn't know about. So today I'm going to share them with you. So the first feature that I'm going to be showing guys today is the fact that you can select different words with just basically this little feature here. So how this works is basically like this, and then you just go like this. This works using the 3D touch, and it allows you to select phrases. Again, what you want to do is select something and then just press harder and it will start selecting everything. This is absolutely amazing. I really like it, and it is one of my favorite hidden features in iOS 12. Up next, another cool little thing is the ability to play YouTube videos by just let me first off enable Wi-Fi. What you can do is go into YouTube. You can go into a video, let's say, and if you just most common question I get about my life. If you just quickly go, okay, so let's say you're watching a video and you quickly double tap the power button, the video will be still playing in the background. So I don't know if this worked with me recording, but it's definitely something that you can use. Okay, so this next little hidden feature that I have for you is now in Messages, and probably also somewhere else, but in Messages it's where I use it the most. What you can do when you get a message from someone, you can just click on it and you will get this little audio, FaceTime and also info button. Instead, usually you just open it up, but now you have the ability to straight up call, FaceTime, or just get the info of the contact, and this is definitely something that I have been really enjoying. The next feature is the fact that you can now turn off a flashlight with just using Siri. So you can just say, "Hey Siri, turn on flashlight."
It's on.
Turn off flashlight.
It's off.
This is absolutely amazing as it's finally available and it's much easier to access, and this is again new in iOS 12. Here is another thing that you can do in iOS 12. What you can do is basically use a lot of markup colors. So again, if you just use markup, usually there were like 3 or maybe 4 colors available, but now you have a whole palette of these colors available, which is really cool, and basically you have many more colors than you usually did. So hopefully guys you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely consider dropping it a like down below, share it with your friends and consider subscribing for more videos like this. I'll see you all next time.